Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can share your documents on Clickup. Maybe you want to share your documents on Clickup to your friends, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can share your documents on Clickup. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Clickup application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then these dotted icons. And now, to share your documents on ClickUp, tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And you will see here the home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. And then in here, select the document that you want to share. For example, you want to share this new document, simply tap on this three dots icon. And then in here, there will be a doc options. As you can see in here under, we have here the share button. Tap on this share. And as you can see, you can share this doc or you can share this page. You can share this doc, it means copy internal link to entire doc with all pages, or copy internal link to this specific page. For this example, you need to share this doc, tap on this, share this doc. And there will be a pop-up option where you can share it via nearby share, messages, email, notes, messenger, and many more. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to share your document on ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share your doc on ClickUps, leave a comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.